today's highlight.
Loss! Danger! Loss! 1 million loss! Oh no, no! Danger! Danger! Help me! 1 million loss!
負けた理由を書くんだ。
Learn to trade like a pro with our easy-to-use platform.
.なるほど。わかったぞ。両方大事だぞ。FX と CFD の両方を見ればな、全体の価格変動を明確に理解できますね。 CFD チャートもよく見ておこう。
You're not scaring me. I'm ready for you. No. No. Ha! Take that. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. Yeah.
This was no good here.
"僕が痩せて強くなったようには FX もデモトレードで練習してください."
Come on, let's do this. Hiya. Whoa. Take that. All right, let's see what you got. Bam, take that. Oh, you want to dance? Ha, I gotcha. And that's how it's done. I don't wanna. I'm too tired. I can't do it. Oh. All right, here we go. Focus, focus. Gotta get this right.
Yes. Oh yeah. I'm doing it now.
"地味だけど手。
Oh.
負けた理由を書くんだ。
トレード日記を書くとトレーダーの成長スピードを速めてくれるよな。
Time to get serious. Ready? Ready! Billionaire status unlocked. Loss! Danger! Loss! 1 million loss! Oh no, no! Danger! Danger! Help me! 1 million loss! Welcome to the future of trading. Start with a demo account. Then try investing small amounts. Always keep your money safe. The secret is to keep your initial trades small. No distress, no panic, or noise. Keep become.
Everyone, please be very careful.
な、そう動くのね。
Okay, class. Today's summary is on the blackboard right here.
ステップ1は証券会社とチャートシステムは別物という話。2は CFD の重要性について。ステップ3はデモトレードで鍛えよう。ステップ4はトレード日記を負けるたびに書いてほしいという話でした。最後はこれ。何をやっても枚数を間違えたらどうしようもないというお話。どうぞお気をつけください。
And that's all for today. See you next time. Hi, Eden!